the reason I chose ITS3 for my program was that I'm just really into computers. I like to find out about things about technology. The benefits of the ITS3 program would be that you get a lot of industry certifications. All these certifications are needed for the industry, and they all lead up to taking the A+, which is the biggest certification you can get in the IT industry.
The most important skills I've learned at ITS3 have been customer service, because we run the help desk here, also getting to work with industry equipment.
It's a great program to get into just to explore it as a field, and the amount of knowledge you will gain is far more than you would ever expect from a program like this.
When I'm done this year, I am going into year 2, and I am hoping to kind of decide whether or not I want to go into college and study cybersecurity, or if I want to just go into work straight after high school.
My plan is to attend WSU Vancouver to pursue both my career in IT, potentially for cybersecurity.